Having served Baltimore City residents since the 1950s, Catons knows Baltimore Plumbing. We've seen every plumbing challenge unique to our city and have helped thousands of homeowners address them. Let's explore some of the common plumbing issues we see in Baltimore City homes. Rowhouses built prior to the 1970s often have galvanized steel or lead service lines, both prone to corrosion over time. This corrosion can result in low water pressure, leaks, or contamination. The sewer lines in older homes were often made from cast iron or clay piping. Over the years, these materials become vulnerable to root intrusion, collapse, or disintegration. If you are experiencing drainage issues, have a plumber assess the pipes. Replacing aging sections before they break may be advised. Another issue we see in city homes is aging fixtures. Old plumbing fixtures often leak due to worn-out washers, flappers, or seals. Additionally, outdated toilets may run continuously or flush poorly, wasting water and money. And lastly, an issue that often goes unnoticed is mineral buildup from hard water. Baltimore's hard water minerals can deposit inside pipes, reducing flow and lifespan. Installing a water softener can reduce mineral buildup. If your home has plumbing issues, or you simply want to take care of things before they become a problem, call the experts at Catons.